Alright, so we're going to get started making some snowflakes today, and they're going to end up looking something like this. So we're actually going to have three different parts. The white part is the small part, and then we have the purple part, which is medium, and right here my blue part is my large. Alright, so I'm going to get started with the large part, because that one's actually the easiest one to do. Okay, so we're starting out with a square piece of paper, and I'm going to use white this time. I'm going to go ahead and I can fold it in half either way. I can go the long way or the short way, because it's a square. It's going to look the same way either way. So I'm folding it in half. It doesn't have to be perfect, but as close as possible would be nice. Okay, and there we go. I folded it in half. Then I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half again, which is going to make a square. Alright, so again, trying to do it as best as I can, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now if I were to unfold this, I'm going to have 4 equal squares, but I want to go ahead and refold it. Okay, and now if I flip it this way, I'm going to have an open end. See how all my pages open up? But then on the other side, it's all closed. Same thing, if I fold it this way, one side is open, one side is closed. This way, one side's open, one side's closed. So I want the end that it's all closed, alright? And that part is going to face towards my belly, okay? So the open end is facing towards my neighbor across from me, and the folded end is facing towards my belly. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pick up a marker, or in your case you're going to use a pencil, and I'm going to draw kind of an upside down V or W at the top. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do it, and then I'll show you what I mean. And again, this doesn't have to be perfect, but that's what I'm going for, something like this, kind of like 2 little hills, and then I'm going to cut right on that line. Alright. I'm actually going to try to cut as much of that black marker off so it looks a little bit better. Alright, so now this is what I have. It kind of looks like a V with a weird top, kind of like an ice cream cone actually. Alright, so I've got that. I'm going to go ahead and I need to draw 2 lines on this side and 2 lines on this side. I don't want to draw my lines at the top because that's where the opening is. I want to make sure I'm drawing them on the sides. So let me go ahead and do that quick. 1, 2, 1, 2. And we want to make these lines pretty long, but we don't want them to come together and touch in the middle. So there's a gap, but they're pretty long. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cut on those lines too as best as I can. Okay? 1, and the other side. There we go. Alright, now for the moment of truth. I've got to open it up. Here we go. So when I open it up, I should have, nice, I've got 4 different sides, and they're all pretty similar, a little different, okay? The very last thing that we need to do is we need to take our tabs and fold them, alright? So I've got a top tab, a middle tab, and then this bottom part right there. I'm going to take the middle one, okay? And I'm going to fold it down. And that's going to create a little gap in my paper, just like this, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and do that for all of them. And that's pretty much our last step. Before we're finished, we're going to get a glue stick, and we're going to glue those little flaps down so that they just stay together a little bit better. But that's what we're going for. Alright, now I want you to give it a shot. Once we're done with the large one, we're going to make a medium one, do the exact same thing, glue it to the large one, and then do a small one. Exact same way, glue it on top. And then we've got a cool snowflake.